Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to center taskbar icons. So let's get started. So if you are trying to center your taskbar icons, now to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply head over to your taskbar. So from here what you can do is just simply right click on the taskbar, and after doing that you will find this option which is taskbar settings. So simply tap on taskbar settings, and now you can see my taskbar icons are in the left side of my screen. So now if you want to change it to middle, so to do that what you can do is just simply tap on taskbar behavior, and after that on taskbar behavior now you will find a bunch of options. From here you will find this taskbar alignment option which is on the left. What you can do is just simply change it to center, and after changing it to center, now if you just check your taskbar, then you will find that the taskbar icons has been centered. So that's it guys, this is how to center taskbar icons. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.